Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm doing another vlog and I have lots to do today. Chad and I may or may not be building that TV stand that I told you guys we got. It is like a white barnhouse style TV stand. It's the cutest thing ever. He has a 4-page paper to write, so he told me that we might be able to build it if he can get that done. But Chad has literally worked every single day this week, so I'm kind of giving him a break if he can't get around to building it today. But I'm secretly like crossing my fingers that he's gonna build that TV stand. Anyways, later in today's video, I'm going to be doing a what's in my purse, and I'm going to show you guys everything that I keep in my newest handbag. It's a Teddy Blake handbag. So I have a couple of errands to run, and that's how I'm starting off my morning today. Really quick, want to show you guys the lip color that I'm wearing because it is the prettiest color. I'm definitely going to wear this on Thanksgiving because I just feel like it looks really like fall. It's this Pixie liquid lipstick in the shade Posh Nude. Here's what it looks like. It's just like this fat square tube. I love it so much. I think the color is really pretty. It dried super quick, but it also still feels moisturizing. Like, it doesn't feel like a lip gloss, but it also doesn't like super dry your lips out the way that liquid lipsticks can do. Definitely recommend it. You can probably find it at Target, but this was one of the things that came in that PR package. One of the places I'm going today while I'm out is the Apple store. I need to pick up an iPad case for my iPad. I did not tell you guys because I wasn't vlogging yesterday, but I did get the new iPad 11. I've been wanting to upgrade for a while before I had one of the original iPad Pros, the 9.7 inch one, not like the newer 9.7, but the older one, and it was not a bad iPad. There was nothing wrong with it, but my mom's iPad is my old iPad from like years ago, and I had given that to her whenever I upgraded, and her iPad is having a lot of issues, like the microphone on it's not working, the touchscreen's being really finicky, and she was considering getting a new one. So I was like, Mom, don't get a new one, I'll give you mine and I'll upgrade, because she doesn't care if she has the newest one. And I really wanted the one without the home button because it has a bigger screen. And I think I told you guys next semester I'm trying to go 100% digital if my professors will allow me to. This semester that was not an option, but hopefully I can do that next semester. I just really want to try that. My sister is completely digital student and she loves it, so that's kind of another reason why I wanted to upgrade to the new iPad. So I just went with the iPad Pro 11 inch in the black or space gray color, I guess it is. And then I also got the Apple Pencil 2, which is so nice because it's magnetic and you don't have to charge this one anymore. It just sticks to the side and that's how it charges. So this was waiting at my door when I got home from work last night, so you can imagine how eager I was to get home. Here's what the back looks like. It's just the space gray one. I have the rose gold one in the 9.7, but it's so pretty. It's a lot bigger than my other one, and I think it's going to be great for note-taking. Here's the pencil, and it just connects to the side like that. It's amazing. So I was really debating on whether I wanted to get the keyboard case or not, like the Folio Apple keyboard case, but I decided that I think I'm just going to go with like the regular Folio Apple magnetic cover instead of the keyboard, because I feel like anytime I'm doing any real typing, it'll probably be on my Mac, but maybe I'll change my mind. That would be like a good Christmas gift to ask for, but for now I'm just gonna get like the regular Folio case. I'm about to go into Bath & Body Works and I have a few coupons to use. Hopefully they're not gonna get mad at me for using my coupons, because I think I vlogged it, but the last time I went in there, this woman was so mad because I had like 3 coupons for free stuff, and I still bought something, so I don't know why she was so mad. And the same with today. Like, I have 2 coupons to get like 2 free full-size items like that I just got in the mail, and then I'm gonna use a $10 off 30 coupon and get some candles, I think. But after that I'm gonna run into Sephora, and then we're heading to the Apple store to get my case. So let's do this. Hey guys, I am back home now. I'm about to show you guys what I got from Bath & Body Works. I made out really well, and shockingly, she was not mad at me for using my coupons. She was actually like cheering me on. I literally got 2 things completely free, and then I had a 20% off coupon for the other things, and those things were on sale too. So I got some hand soaps because I needed one for our bathroom for when we have guests come over. I like to have like a pretty hand soap. So I got the Winter Candy Apple. I think I'm gonna put this one in the kitchen and then put the Vanilla Bean Noel in the guest bathroom. I really like the scent. It is very like warm and welcoming. Then I got 2 body washes because I had coupons for these 2. So these were both completely free. I got Champagne Toast. It smells amazing. And then I also got Into the Night, and I have the hand cream for this, and I love the smell. It is so good. So I got it in the body wash too because I thought I would like to smell like that in the shower. And then I just got 1 candle because Chad and I have a couple of Yankee candles that we're still burning right now, but this one is frosted cranberry and it smells so good, and the lid is really cute too. I just got 1 thing while I was in Sephora, well 2 things if you count the pump, but I finally picked up the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I have been wanting to try this so bad. Everybody says it's such a good foundation. And I literally just got the Too Faced Born This Way foundation from Ulta the other day. I think I vlogged that. Still gonna keep that one, and I'm just gonna kind of use both, but I think this one will be a little more full coverage, so it'll be good if I'm like going out that night or something. I want my makeup to look a little bit better than just like everyday makeup. But they sell the pump separately, so I had to pay an extra $10 to get the pump. I'm glad she told me about it because I would have been mad if I didn't have the pump, but at the same time, like, why does it not just come on there with it? Okay, so you guys already know while I was out, I got the Apple folio case, and here it is. It was $80 and it was cheaper at Best Buy, but they didn't have any in stock, and same with Target. They didn't have any in stock, and I wanted to get it today because I'm using my iPad like today and I don't want to scratch it or something. So I just paid like $20 more, even though I could have got it cheaper, but you pay for the convenience. This on there. Here's my unboxing, since I never unboxed the iPad for you guys. I really wanted to do like an unboxing video just for fun because I love watching those. But then I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna do that because I wanted to open it so bad when I got home, and I had just worked 12 hours, so I didn't really want to be on camera. I love the pink sand color. It is just such a pretty like baby pink color. Magnetizes right on there, and then my pencil just goes right here on the side. It's perfect. And I like this little splash of pink. This is just one of the backgrounds that it comes with because it like matches the case, so I think it looks really good. I am going to be using this today because I have to start basically taking notes and putting together a study guide for my final exam. Super stressed about it. I can't believe it's already time to start actually studying for finals. And then tonight we are going out with Chad's brother and his wife, which is basically my sister-in-law and brother-in-law. And I can't wait to hang out with them tonight because we haven't seen them in a long time. I think we're gonna go out to dinner or something nice. But Chad and I are trying to like stay focused and get our important stuff done so that we can have fun tonight. It's a little while later. Chad is still in there working on his paper, and I'm about to make a coffee because I only had 1 cup of coffee today, and it was really only like half a cup. Your girl needs some coffee because I got a lot of medical term homework still left to do. And I'll show you guys how I make my iced coffee, which I've showed this a couple of times, but I have a lot more subscribers than the last time since I showed you guys how I make my iced coffees. So the first thing I do is get a cup and fill it up with some ice. And then this is the cold brew that I'm using. I always either use this one or the Khalifa one, but it's just black unsweetened cold brew coffee. You can get this at Target. And I fill it up to about there. And then I'm using the peppermint mocha creamer from Coffee Mate, and I just put a little bit of this because it's super sweet. And then I add some of this regular organic half and half just because I want it to be more creamy, but I don't want it to be more sweet. So I've kind of found my happy spot by doing a little bit of each. And I shove my straw in there. And all the ice likes to clump together, so I have to like break all the ice up. And that's it. That's how I make my iced coffee. Candle is lit. I have all-nighter playing, and I'm about to start my homework for chapter 20, radiology and nuclear medicine, and then I'm also going to do chapter 21, which is mental health. I'm gonna enjoy this one. I just got an unexpected package in the mail. I knew that I was gonna get it eventually. I did not know that it was coming today. It's a package from Casetify, which is a phone case brand, and this video is not sponsored by them. I am working with them on an upcoming video, but I wanna show you guys the cases they sent me because they're so cute. Today is the day of like unboxing and new things. How cute is this packaging? I feel like it's Christmas. Wow, this is so pretty. Ta-da! So I got 3 cases. This one says Melissa, and that's just like kind of like a family nickname, obviously a shortened version of my name. And then I got this one with the clouds on it. It's super cute. I think it's gonna look really pretty against my phone because I have the purple one. And then I just got this solid matte black one. All are really cute, but I'm not gonna show and talk about them in this video because that's not what this video is about. You guys will see these soon in a what's on my iPhone video. I just got finished printing and reading through my final review. Luckily, my lab professor was nice enough to make this for us because it's kind of just outlining each of the chapters that we need to focus on. I mean, it's all the chapters, but she's like telling us what to focus on in each chapter so that way we don't get super overwhelmed. And I'm so grateful that she made this for us because otherwise I really seriously would not know where to begin. It's a lot of information. Here's our TV stand that we still have not built yet, and we're not gonna get to it today because kind of ran out of time and this is gonna take a while to build. Hopefully we'll get to it later this week. I just took all my makeup off. I'm about to start fresh with a bare face. All I have is my moisturizer on, and I'm just going to try out this Estee Lauder foundation. I thought I would do it on camera so you guys can get my first real impressions of it. The girl at Sephora color matched me to this shade Warm Vanilla, and so to put the pump on it. $10 for a piece of plastic. I love that. But here I am being the consumer that I am, and I purchased it anyway. Wow, this is such a flawless finish. Now I'm just going in with my Shape Tape in the shade Light Neutral. Now I'm just gonna use the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I feel like such a beauty guru. I actually love doing this, but I'm not like an expert, so I could never be a beauty guru. I'm not like the greatest at my makeup, but I think I'm okay at it. Now we're going to fill those eyebrows in. Eyebrow gel. Now I'm gonna go in with the Hoola Caramel Bronzer and my big fluffy brush from Eco Tools. Just bronze it up. Now I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. This shade right here and this shade here. Taking the other shade and I'm just going in the outer corner. And now I'm using this Pixie palette that I got in that PR package. Using this shade here. It's actually a highlighter, but I like to use it on my eyelids because it looks really pretty. That is it for eyeshadow. Now I'm using my Sephora liquid eyeliner. I'm just gonna do a really subtle line. Okay, now I'm going in with my NARS Climax. And then for my lips, I'm just gonna use this Pixie liquid lipstick that I already showed you guys earlier. And now I'm going in with my Urban Decay All Nighter, and I'm just gonna spray this to finish it off. We're leaving to go to dinner in like 20 minutes, but I wanted to show you guys what's in my purse. So I told you guys earlier that I got a new purse, and it is from Teddy Blake. Here's what it looks like. It is this huge bucket bag, and if there was ever a better time to buy a handbag, it's now. They're having some huge Black Friday savings. All of their handbags are genuine and come from Italy. They're amazing quality, and there's so many different styles to choose from. Today's video is sponsored by Teddy Blake, so thank you so much for working with me on today's video. And let's get into what's in my purse. I love the bucket style. It's very unique and it's unlike anything else I've ever had in the past. It fits so much in it though. Like, this bag is never endless. So if you're someone that can't leave the house without a bunch of stuff, like, this is the bag for you. And I'm definitely that person. It has a drawstring here, and then it just pulls open, and it is massive inside. So one of the reasons I picked this bag is because my iPad fits in it, and I really want it to be able to carry my iPad around with me so that sometimes when I'm just doing some work, like checking emails or doing things that are just on my iPad, like at a coffee shop or when I'm running errands, I can bring this with me wherever I go, and it just fits right in my bag. The next thing I have in here is my miniature dry shampoo. I use this one by Ava NYC. I love this dry shampoo. I have the full-size version over here, and it's just my favorite, so great to freshen up the hair. I just have a pair of sunglasses in here because obviously I need some sunglasses. Gum, because you will never find me without a pack of gum. This is one of my favorites right now. It's just extra. I have a Starbucks gift card because my mom got me that for my birthday. She knows that I'm constantly at Starbucks, so it's always a good gift for me. One of the most important things that's in my purse is my external battery pack. So this thing is from Amazon. If you don't have one of these, you need to go get yourself one because you will never be stressed out about your devices dying again. It's by the brand PowerAd, and I will have it linked in the description. Here's what it looks like. It's very small and compact. It comes in a little felt bag. There's a little cable to charge it, but the best part about this is the fact that it has 2 USB ports, so you can charge 2 devices at the same time. So if my iPad's dead and my phone's dead, I can charge them both. I think you can get 3 or 4 charges out of this one once it's fully charged. So this has saved my life more than once. So if you guys need an external battery charger to keep in your purse or your backpack, I definitely recommend this brand because it works awesome. So I will link it below. I have a hand cream in here, and this is the Into the Night, which is amazing, from Bath & Body Works. I just got the body gel today in this because I just love the smell. I have my wallet in here, and I have the most simple wallet ever because half the time I don't bring my purse with me. I just like hand my wallet to Chad. So I need it to be really small so that he'll hold it for me. The last thing that's in here is my Laneige lip balm. This one is in grapefruit. I love these lip balms. They're amazing. You can get them at Sephora. That's it inside this bag, except for this little wristlet that it comes with. All their bags by this collection come with one of these little wristlets, and it's got the gold zipper. Plenty of space in here to put some things if you need it, and this little part comes undone so you can carry this by itself. And that is everything that is in my bag. So thank you guys for watching a little what's in my bag right in the middle of the vlog. I'm so excited about this bag, and it's on major sale, so make sure you guys check it out at teddyblake.com, and I'll have the link in the description. Today's vlog has not been super college related, and I know that like that's the content that you guys want to see, but not every day is like that for me. So let me know if you still want to see days when I am just shopping and unboxing things and doing a little bit of schoolwork. Obviously I showed you guys a get ready with me, what's in my purse. I enjoy doing those other videos, but I know that a lot of you are here for that college content, and the reason I'm asking is because if I'm gonna do Vlogmas, I only want to do it if you guys enjoy seeing non-academic vlogs, because obviously for Vlogmas most of that I'm not going to be in school, so my vlogs are going to be more like this rather than me studying all the time. I don't know, I just kind of want your opinion, so let me know what you guys think about that. It's so dark outside and it feels later than it actually is. Chad's yelling at me that the door's open when I know it is.
I didn't realize what you're doing.
I'm vlogging. We're going to dinner, I'm so excited. We're going to get steak and drinks. It is currently 11:30 at night. I am super tired. I'm about to go take off all my makeup and just go straight to bed. We had so much fun tonight. We went and had steaks for dinner and got some drinks, and then we went to a bar afterwards. Basically just spent the night catching up with our brother and sister-in-law, but I am now about to go to sleep. So if you guys are not already subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video.